Where's my air? Where's my air? Y'all see this? What is going on here? Oh God. No air. Now that is how you clean a Renaissance front cover. That is super clean. Here's the back of it. Got most of all that caked up and baked on oil. It just makes me proud to see how clean it is. Ah! Now next on the list is my good friend's rear iron. Getting ready to build a motor for him, and we noticed that his old rear iron, the old rear iron had some cracks right around this area, which is no good. It was like broken, so it wouldn't seal in this area. So we found him a decent one. He's not doing too much to it. He's just gonna do some, it's for his street car. He has a, I wanna say it's a 88 Mazda RX-7. So we're gonna go ahead and take care of that, and we're gonna get to it. Just like that, this iron is somewhat clean. Now I say somewhat because we're getting ready to lap it, so it's gonna get even more dirtier.
So let's take a look at here.
Yeah.
Let's talk about lapping. So pop it down on the trash can table, the horizontal surface.
Hui! You guys are getting ready to get.
My shop's a mess. I apologize. All right. So Turbo 2. Reasons why I would definitely lap this one. Generally, it looks like a good housing. You can see the original factory. There's kind of a little bit of cross glare right in here. That looks like the factory machining. So the fact that it's very shiny and that you can see a little bit of that factory machining still in there tells me it probably hasn't been lapped before. So the O-ring groove depth should be around 64 to 67 thousandths of an inch deep, so we should be able to cut off about 7 thousandths and remove most of the wear, corrosion, and anything that's here. So that's what we're going for. It's not only the wear we're trying to clean up, but we want the best possible water seal grooves as well.
Y'all hear that? Lapping. Lapping. All right, now here's where we're getting into the nicks and crannies of lapping. Check it out. Here's where all the magic happens. When we get to lap things. Let that turn and spin. Yeah. I'll show you guys the finished product once it's done. What a day. We got a lot done, but still not enough done. I still have to do some more, finish up the lapping tomorrow. So, some other projects that we got going on, some more motor builds that we're doing. and then prepping the motor for my friend that I'm building for him. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss another video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.